What's up, YouTube? This is Tom with Fresh Vintage. We are here at SEMA Show 2023 in Las Vegas, Nevada. We are checking out the CEMB booth in the wheels and tire section, and we're here with our good friend Pete. Pete, thanks so much for taking the time here.
Sure. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, absolutely. We have a CEMB 2-hit, and apparently there's some hitting involved with the use of this, so Pete's not going to punch me. Pete's actually going to explain at some point you actually hit the tire, but go ahead and take it away, Pete.
Okay, so from the company that invented wheel balancers, we have our latest technology called 2-hit. All balancers need 3 inputs in order to give you a result. They need to know the distance from the machine to where the first weight goes, they need to know the rim width, and they need to know the rim diameter. Okay? As you pay more for a balancer, more of those features are automated. Now we came up with the idea of doing it using some impact on the tire. So we've mounted the tire in the normal manner. It's on the shaft, ready to go. We've got the screen on and ready. This is what it looks like when you start. Okay, and we touch this. All right, now come over here and you'll see I've got a laser, Jay, over here. I got a laser dot and a line, and I'm actually going to just line up so the dot's on top of the laser, and then all of a sudden, I banged on it. Why did I do that? Because I just entered a reference mark for the balancer. Now I'm going to go to the first weight position where I want to put the weight on the outside of the rim. Say I want to put it here near the edge where my finger is. Okay, all I need to do is line up the little laser dot and hit it again. Now it moves the laser to the inner part of the rim, and I can manually position it by hand where I want the weight to go. It goes just to the right of that dot, and once I got it there, I hit. And now I've given it all the information I need in order to give you a result. And all I have to do now is put the hood down, the machine will spin up. While it's spinning for the adhesive weights, it's also measuring the RFV, or radial force vectoring. This is an additional pair of eyes to show the out of roundness of a tire. Okay? So not only am I going to be able to correct the imbalance using weights, but I can also see if this machine is truly round or not. And that is here. Look at that. This is a graph of this tire as it's spun, and I can manually bring it down to the actual variation in the tread depth from high to low, from up to, in this case, it's pretty true. It's less than 0.5 millimeter, and it's only about 1/4 millimeter off. But if this was way out of whack, if this was very misshapen, this would come up as a yellow or even a red mark, and then you should deal with it. You should be able to do something with it. And why is that? Because if the tire is shaped like an egg, it can wobble going down the road, which leads to vibration, which can be a problem for the driver. Anyway, other than that, it's a traditional machine, and where you put the weights are indicated by the little dots, the squares. And when you bring the square to where you're going to put the weight, it goes green. And if you come over here, the laser shows you right where to put the stick-on weight. See the lot? So I would lay it a weight, was it an ounce? Here's an ounce. Put it there, and I lay it, oh, I can't, there's no Velcro. Anyway, you would lay the weight there. And then the other weight would be here. So the other weight would go there. Okay? And then the other thing I have that's trick on this is a thing called hub match. So hub match is a way to put that high spot of the tire at the 12 o'clock position when you put it back on the hub. And all I need to do, this is the hub match dot, I just bring it up to 12 o'clock position. It's right there. See, it lights up green. I locked it. Now I mark with a piece of chalk that position of the tire. When I take this off and I put it on the vehicle, I make sure that's at 12 o'clock. That helps improve the ride.
That's incredible.
Yep.
Amazing technology in this unit. Looking at the actual hit, like you didn't hit it that hard. Like I was thinking of like wham or something, but you kind of just gave it one of these, and, and that's enough for the system to register.
That's right.
So it's obviously a very well calibrated and sensitive system.
Well, we have a vibration analysis division that we have the right equipment to have the sensory inputs to be able to do that.
Very, very nice machine.
State of the art.
State of the art, definitely. We'll leave a link for this in the description of this video so you can check it out, and if you want to reach out to your local rep, we'll definitely leave some contact information as well.
One of 15 different balancers. We have balancers from hand spin balancers up to tractor trailer balancers, everything in between. Largest balancer company in the world, so thank you for visiting with us.
Yeah, thank you very much, Pete. Really, really appreciate it, man.
Appreciate it. Yeah.
If you like classic cars, if you like scan tools, if you like DIY, if you like tools and equipment, if you like Chargers and Chevelles and all the rest, Fresh Vintage is your channel. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.